How to turn on dark mode on Google Chrome. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily enable dark mode on your Google Chrome browser. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button as well. Also, turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Let's begin. So if you want to toggle the dark mode on your Google Chrome, it's pretty easy. The first thing you need to do is tap on the three lines at the top right corner. And from here, you're just going to head over to your settings. Once you get to your settings menu, just scroll down a bit and under your basic settings, you'll find search engine, password manager, payment methods, address and more, privacy security, safety checks, notification, and finally the theme. Go ahead and tap on theme, and here you will find three options. So first one is system default. So if your phone has dark mode turned on, it will turn on the dark mode for the Chrome as well. And if you don't want that and make it dark and anyways, so just tap on the dark mode right here. Now if I choose the system default, it will show dark mode because I have my dark mode turned on my system. But if I turn it off, it will turn into light mode. So that's how you turn dark mode on your Chrome. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys next time.